Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths ePlanet. My name is Jakruti and today we are going to discuss the topic pair of straight lines, but this is the second part of this topic. First part is already uploaded and you can go to that video and you can watch that video. Okay, so in this video we are going to prove the second part and the second theorem of this chapter. The theorem is about two straight lines which are passing through origin and what is the combined equation of that two lines. So without wasting the time, let's get started. What is the theorem and what is the proof of that theorem? Okay, so let's start. Now let's discuss the theorem number 2 of this topic. This theorem states that whenever we find the combined equation of two lines which are passing through origin, the resulting equation is always homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. Okay, it means if we find the combined equation or joint equation of two lines L1 and L2 which are passing through origin. Okay, here also two lines which are passing through origin, and if we find the combined equation of these two lines which are passing through origin, then we get a joint equation of these two lines which is homogeneous equation in x and y, but the degree of that equation is 2. Okay, so what are the important terms? Are the resulting equation is homogeneous equation, then its degree is 2 and the variables are x and y. Okay, so we have to prove here that the combined equation of these two lines is a homogeneous equation, then the degree is 2 of each term and the variables are x and y. Okay, so to prove this theorem, let's take two equations for two lines. Here are the two lines and these both lines are passing through origin. Okay, hence in the equation of these lines there is constant term is absent. You can observe this. Okay, let's assume that this equation L1 is u is equal to 0 and line L2 is v is equal to 0, and we have written the equations for these two lines L1 and L2. As for L1 we have written the equation a1x plus b1y is equal to 0, and we have assumed the equation for L2 as a2x plus b2y is equal to 0. Okay, now we want to find the combined equation for these two lines L1 and L2. So that we have to find the equation u into v is equal to 0. Okay, so let's write it properly. So let presentation is also very important. So let we have two lines L1 and L2 passing through origin. Suppose L1 is a1x plus b1y is equal to 0 and L2 is a2x plus b2y is equal to 0. Also we can say that this is u is equal to 0 and this is v is equal to 0. This L1 is line u is equal to 0 and L2 is v is equal to 0. Now let's find the combined equation for these two lines. Therefore, the combined equation is the multiplication of these two equations, a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y is equal to 0, because we know that the combined equation is u into v is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to simplify this. Therefore, a1 a2 x square, then plus a1 b2 xy. Now multiply a2 b1 xy plus b1 b2 y square is equal to 0. Now again we have to simplify this. Write a1 a2 x square plus, take common xy and we'll get a1 b2 plus a2 b1 xy plus b1 b2 y square is equal to 0. This is just simplification. We are simplifying this. Now instead of a1 a2, put a, instead of this bracket put twice h, and instead of b1 b2 put b. Okay, so what will be the equation? So the final equation we'll get is ax square plus, instead of this bracket we are writing twice h xy plus b1 b2, sorry, instead of b1 b2 now we are writing just b. Okay, so by square is equal to 0. Again I am writing because there is some mistake. So in this equation you can observe that the degree of each term is 2. Okay, here the degree of this ax square is 2, degree of 2hxy is 2, and degree of by square is also 2. Remember, degree is the sum of indices of all variables. Okay, remind that what is degree is sum of indices of all variables only. Okay, so there is no need to count the indices of coefficients or constants. Okay, so here we can say that this is the equation of, this is the homogeneous equation of degree 2. Okay, when we can say the degree is the equation is homogeneous, when the degree of each term of any equation is same, then the equation is homogeneous. And here also the degree of each term is same and it is 2. So this equation is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Therefore we can write this is homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. Why x and y? Because there are only x and y are the variables and a, b, h are the coefficients. Okay, so hence the proof. Hence the proof.